Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off August notifications on iPhone. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are starting to see a bunch of August notifications on their iPhone. How do you actually turn off those notifications? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so make sure to watch until the end. Now, the way that we're actually going to do this is that you're first going to go onto your settings tab here. Now, once you're on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says notifications. So click on notifications. And then from this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says August. So click on the August app and keep in mind that your applications are organized in alphabetical order. Now on this page here, once you click on August, you're going to see a toggle button that says allow notifications. So right now it's green just because that means I have August notifications enabled. But if I click on the toggle button, you'll see that it's now been turned off. But if I click on it again, you'll see that it's now been turned on. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off August notifications on your iPhone. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.